Good day everyone, my name is Denise Jace S. Ronda and I'm going to discuss the information technology application in medical technology. What is information technology? The study or use of systems, especially computers and telecommunications, for storing, retrieving, and sending information. Information technology is the study, design, development, implementation, support, or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software application and computer hardware. What is medical technology? Medical technology can be defined as the application of science to develop solutions to health problems or issues such as the prevention or delay of onset of diseases or the promotion and monitoring of good health. It is designed to improve the detection, diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of diseases. Science and technology. It is important to understand the connection between science and technology. Science is primarily concerned with the study of the natural world and the interrelationship among the biological, psychological, and even the social world. Technology, on the other hand, is the application of science in ways that are considered beneficial to society. Technology can be defined in three ways. 1. As a physical artifact, machine or instrument. 2. As an activity or a means to accomplish a goal. And 3. As a knowledge. To sum up, technology is an avenue for humans to alter or modify the environment in order to extend their abilities to create, invent, discover, or innovate to make the world a better place to live in. Relationship between science and technology. Science contributes to technology in at least 6 ways. 1. New knowledge, which serves as a direct source of ideas for new technological possibilities. 2. Source of tools and techniques for more efficient engineering design and a knowledge base for evaluation of feasibility of designs. 3. Research instrumentation, laboratory techniques, and analytical methods used in research that eventually find their way into design or industrial practices, often through intermediate disciplines. 4. Practice of research as a source for development and assimilation of new human skills and capabilities eventually useful for technology. 5. Creation of a knowledge base that becomes increasingly important in the assessment of technology in terms of its wider social and environmental impacts. 6. Knowledge base that enables more efficient strategies of applied research, development, and refinement of new technologies. History of information technology in medtech. While information technology has been around ever since humans were able to communicate with each other via pieces of technology, only the latest period of information technology affects us today, which is seen in the medtech industry. The current electronic age of information technology began with the creation of the first digital computer for the purpose of performing calculations pertaining to artillery fire, which was used specifically by the U.S. Army. Since that time, computers and information technology have evolved significantly with the latest years of the electronic age, bringing in the usage of central processing units that contain logic, memory, and control circuits in a single chip. In the healthcare industry, information technology has proven to be vital for medtech businesses. For instance, the creation of electronic medical record systems has helped doctors and other medical professionals provide their patients with safer and more efficient care. Patient data and medical records are also more private and much more secure when being placed within electronic systems. Medtech businesses and startups are constantly using information technology to advance the healthcare industry. The new technologies that are made by medtech businesses have helped to improve the overall quality of care while also making healthcare much more cost-effective. The advancement of information technology has provided medtech companies with the capability to create advanced technology that wasn't possible even 5 years. These technologies have been made possible via cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and similar efforts. Such advancements have allowed for the creation of better monitoring systems, comfortable scanning equipment, and much less invasive surgeries, the latter of which allows for a shorter recovery time among patients. The continual changes that occur in the information technology industry directly benefit medtech businesses that are looking to create the latest technology for patient care. Latest technology trends of medtech in information technology: artificial intelligence, cloud computing, quantum computing, and 3D printing. Artificial intelligence. This refers to the ability of a digital computer or a computer-controlled robot to perform a wide variety of tasks that are usually associated with humans and other intelligent beings. AI, or artificial intelligence, advancement occur rapidly with each passing year. Within the medtech industry, artificial intelligence can effectively assist in the diagnosis of medical condition and the identification of pathology via diagnostic scans. AI is also able to interpret copious amounts of electronic health data and medical records in a very short period of time. Next is cloud computing. While the medtech industry has been somewhat slow to adopt cloud computing when compared to other industries, the past few years have seen a rapid uptick in the adoption of this technology. When using wireless cloud technology, medical devices that are created by medtech companies can quickly collect data for accessibility, storage, and sharing. Quantum computing. This is considered to be the quickest form of computing because of the very different computation model that it uses when compared to conventional computers and even supercomputers. While quantum computing is still in its infancy, the industry believes that this form of computing is going to be very beneficial for all kinds of difficult computational problems that can't be solved by other computers. Along with improving the speed and accuracy of MRI scans, quantum computing is going to be highly beneficial for pharmaceutical research, which will be very useful for medtech startups in the coming years. And lastly, the 3D printing. The creation of prosthetics, airway stents, and implants, which makes for a much more efficient and cost-effective solution to many of these issues. And that would be all. This is the references. Thank you for listening.